delights in a man's way. He makes his step firm. Though he stumbles, he will not fall. For the Lord upholds him with his hand. Gotta be patient.
While I'm waiting.
That's why I wait.
Waiting.
I just wait.
Waiting.
I know you coming. I know you coming.
Waiting.
That's why I wait. That's why I wait. I know you coming. I know you coming. I see you soon. Right on time. Right Now I ain't tryna front you, confuse or confront you. I'm not Ashton Kutcher, so I'm not tryna punk you. I came to let you know that this is not for show. I don't held my breath so long, now it's time to let it go. I'm about the one that died for him, crucified, tried for him. Land with no blame, no shame that would ride for him. He died on Friday, rose again on Sunday. He'll be back one day. Pray you don't be wanting, pray you don't be fronting. Receive the anointing because of the appointing. Time that you don't know. If you're holding on to burdens, then you best to let them go. You best to let them go. Just lay them on the floor, cause this yoke is easy. Please believe, man, don't reject, receive, man. Just come as you are, you might not be a star, but have the faith of a mustard seed, and you should go far.
While I'm waiting.
That's why I wait. I just wait. I know you coming. I know you coming. That's why I wait. That's why I wait. I know you coming. I know you coming. Some see the glass half full, I see it as half empty. Hater talk and walk, it's the devil trying to tempt me. I won't give up hope, won't slack up on my rope. In my moment of despair, Jesus is my antidote. So I close my eyes and see and listen to my heartbeat. If it weren't for the Lord, I would be empty. Demons, yes, they tempt me, occasionally they trip me. Try to blind my mind with designs that be filthy. That's when I call your name and I gain that authority. They sneer and they starve me, but they get far from me. I put that full armor on, and far have I come along. And he who live in glass houses should throw stones upon. But if they do, that's alright. If they do, that's okay. Looking for a brighter day, I'ma move it anyway. Cause somehow he'll find a way, somehow he'll make a way. I'ma stay here, no longer will I break away, no longer will I fade away. The devil won't take away my joy, peace, and happiness. Even though I be stressed, I know that I am blessed. Even when I'm distressed, even when my back against the wall, I rock against my chest. I wait on the Lord, cause I know that he's coming. If you ain't with him, well, you better start running. Cause demons, yes, they laugh, but I don't think it's funny. I don't think it's funny. That's why I wait. I just wait. I know you coming. I know you coming. That's why I wait. That's why I wait. I know you coming. I know you coming. I see you soon. Right on time. Right on.